Alright, so we got a 2013 Chevy Malibu. We gonna do some things. Well, I actually already did some things. I'ma definitely be showing y'all that, right? And just like little goofy stuff. Like the radio that comes in here is an upgraded MyLink radio or whatever. But I switched that to this. Well, I can turn it on, as a matter of fact. I forgot, cause I got, don't tell nobody, but yeah, so, it's my baby right here, no biggie, you know what I mean, we got 98,000 miles on the dash, no check engine lights or fault codes or anything like that, but, I definitely, hold on, let me turn this off, I definitely want to show y'all about this radio, how to upgrade. I like to keep my radios with knobs. I have had a radio, well, I had one of these cars before, and it got stolen or whatever like that. Long story, I'll tell y'all about that if y'all want to hear it. Let me know in the comments. But I had the long one where it would have, this is original, comes with the car, but everything above this crack is with this radio. This is an Android 13 radio. It wasn't even that expensive. I could have got a little more expensive one, but how much do you really be in the car? But it got the CarPlay and stuff, YouTube. I'll show y'all that in another video. Right now I'm dealing with fluctuating RPMs. So you see how it's at the 0 right now. Right now I cleaned the mass airflow sensor yesterday after doing filters and different stuff. This is a turbo. And so when you're dealing with the turbo, you have to be up on your spark plugs. You gotta make sure you running 91. That's the thing. I didn't know that. You know what I mean? So 91 or 93. I was having horrible gas mileage, and I could just see like, dang, like I'm always at like filling up my gas tank, and it's like, what am I doing? I had a job where I was working night shift, and on the night shift I would just leave the car running, and I would leave the car running, so I figured maybe that's why I'm burning so much gas. But when I start putting my treatments in there, I noticed that I was getting like white, not really smoke, but like mist from the gas tank. I mean, not from the gas tank, but from the dang, what is it called? The pipes, the exhaust. So that cleaned up real good. But one thing I'm gonna check these spark plugs. One thing back in the day, we used to just, not back in the day, I'm not even old, but like with the older cars, you could just clean them spark plugs, get it started or whatever. But these turbos, these newer cars with these computers are different. You have to make sure that everything is telling that computer the right thing. Once something isn't clean enough to tell the computer exactly what's going on, the computer start doing weird stuff. And I'm gonna just say that, like, the computer just kind of start doing what it wants to. So, man, take this trip with me. You know, a bunch of videos coming. I'm gonna drop every day, multiple times a day, probably. I just be at work a lot, but tomorrow I will be off. I'm gonna do some stuff on some other cars. This is just a car that I'm gonna play with since it's mine, and I did buy it off the lot. Like, but I be busy, so I ain't doing too many upgrades. But I'm gonna make sure it's running tip-top shape. I got the beat that I'm gonna show y'all. You know, I hooked up these tweeters. You know what I'm saying? So that you know, we be beating, but like it's an amp in the back that I can't find no information on how to wire it to the door, so I'll do all that on camera. Then other than that, I work on cars, period, so I'ma just keep y'all up on game with all type of stuff. If you need to know something about your car, I'm pretty sure I done looked it up. Like, that's what I do. Like, I look up stuff, read stuff all day, and then I go test it. Like, when I go test the part, like even with the mass airflow sensor, I did the filter, the throttle body, like all this stuff. With fluctuating RPMs and bad gas mileage, they gonna tell you the throttle, and that's fine, but it don't always be the throttle. Like, and I looked at the mass airflow, and I didn't think it was, because I had just did the mass airflow on my other car, so I got it mixed up. But it did help. I think it helped. But with my shifting points, I just bought the transmission fluid. We're gonna drop the transmission fluid. They say when you do the transmission fluid, you gotta have it at a certain temperature and all this stuff. So we finna do all this stuff together. I'm gonna show y'all how to do these PCV valves, the brake booster or something that'll mess up your cam. So stay tuned, man. Good luck and thanks for watching.